What's up, everybody from YouTube? We're back in this episode. We're gonna be talking about this 1914. It is my buddy's. It's a used engine, and he came down here because he wanted to run a set of heads that he got from me a couple years back. But I told him, you know what, we should definitely try to match it up with a camshaft because I don't even know what's on that. So we took the motor completely apart, and sure enough, it was actually a turbo grind. It's a small baby cam. Took it out, and we went ahead and replaced it with an FK8, something that will last, that can still lift decent with the 1.4 ratio rockers. So that lifters with the hole in the middle, and we reused his straight cut gears and his rods. Everything checked out fine. It's a welded German crankshaft, and we also went ahead and just addressed a few issues like welded in the pickup tube and a couple things like that. The engine is a mild. I would say it's a mild build, but those parts are definitely capable of holding up the RPM that we're gonna be running on this engine. These heads are old, but they're cool because at one point in a 2332, they put down 196 horsepower to the tire back when it was in Bromhilda. I built that motor in 3 days, and Saturday morning I drove it straight to the dyno, strapped it on. It was AJ's dyno day, and only 3 cars showed up, and I brought 2 of them. So we put my customer's motor in there, and then we put my car up there, and we got to do a little bit of tuning. We took the 40 millimeter Venturis out, and we put a set of 42s. The heads are 44 by 37 5s, and they're on 650 springs on IDFs 48s with Chongwood did the manifolds and the chambers. These heads were like water damaged. They're old. They're a set of old 44 old Super Pro style head, and buttoned it all up, put it all together, and this is the result of that engine. Put it on the dyno, and you guys get to see a little bit of that, some of the braking, some of the dialing in, and the numbers. Thanks for watching. And if you guys do like this content, please make sure you guys hit the notification bell if you subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends that might have an engine similar to this. Thank you. After a while of tuning, we got the engine to idle on its own and do all that stuff that it should. It's not that easy tuning 48s on a 1914, that's all. so we're gonna dyno. This is a 1914, and the cool thing about this 1914 that it has my old heads and my old carburetors that used to be in Bromhilda back in the day. This engine is set up at 9.7 to 1. It's a 9469 with 5.4 rod. It has old Molly pistons. And this is that one that you guys been seeing on the shorts called the cam swap, because that's all we did is we cam swapped it. We took out a turbo cam and we put in a FK8 with scat lifters, Maton push rods. It's got CB650 springs, titanium retainers. And we put this inch and 5/8 exhaust from AA Performance Products. And just fixed all the little issues that we found along the way. It's just set up to be a straight engine, but it should make some power. Now let's see how much. I don't know exactly, but we're hoping in the 140 horsepower range. We'll see. We'll see how much it makes. It might make a little more. Those heads are really nice. They're old, but they're proven, and they were ported. The chamber and the manifolds were done by Chong Wu. Chong, motherfucking Wu.
Cheech and Chong.
What's up, dude? What do you think? Is it gonna run all right?
Probably.
Yeah.
I think so. Want to pull this cable while I tighten this?
No, que te la jalo, güey.
Sí.
Te la jalo.
Se siente muy bien.
Yeah. Bet it does. You have two left hands or what?
Pretty much.
Stage fright?
Seen that, right?
There you go. That's it. Oh my God. You felt loose. Six. Do 65. It's an FK8 with big heads. It's got a 145.
It's not, for 500 RPM difference, it only made 200, so it's not going to make no more at 7.
Yeah.
Unless maybe you try a bigger jet, it might pick up a little bit. You can try it.
How much horsepower is that?
138, 140.
Oh, 140?
Yeah.
All right.
140 at 65, 138, 132.
We can try to do a 5. See how much is a 5. All right, so we're gonna pull out a jet, and we're gonna go one jet bigger and see if it makes a bit more power. It's only making 140. Let's see if we can pull a little more power out of it. You should be able to see a difference of about 5 horsepower per jet change. All right, 55 pull. Let's do about 65 minutes.
Even more. So 150, 149 and a half.
Yeah. Sick.
Good. I'm kidding.
There's my old Tron Wu head.
Are they?
Yeah.
For 1914, they're fucking good.
Yeah. So after making some jet changes, we have come to the conclusion that that engine's only gonna make about $150, which is okay. It's a 1914. $150 is plenty. I'll do the calculations to make sure we have a number on torque before we leave. And what are you doing?
Aquí, mira, otro día.
Spit shine?
Aquí.
Spit shine?
Speed shining shoes aquí.
Very nice. Okay, so I guess we'll just get back to. We're gonna do a pull with no fan belt, dude.
You.
Let's see. Let's do a 6500 pull, no belt.
$176.
176. Holy shit!
Yeah, bro, that's fucking crazy.
You want to do a pull at 7?
But up to you, bro.
Let's do it. It dropped out. So we do know they're max.
168.
168. $20 fucking header. Then this one made 150 or 149.5, and without the belt it made 176. Like I said, these heads have made plenty of power in the past. It's put down 186 to the tire in the past. All right, and that's about it for this week. Next week, you guys should see a video of a 2234, the bracket engine that I put together. It is finally its turn to go up on the dyno. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Say bye to my baby boy Giovanni. Thank you, guys.